Hello you all, welcome back. Today as well we have new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can simply update your Facebook app on your iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, now we will simply start our video. For that matter, first of all, you have to access your app store here in your mobile phone. Once you are got to the app store, you're going to tap on the search option just given below right corner and go to the search bar on top and type in Facebook. And now search it up. Then you will find this kind of option, right? Go ahead, tap on your Facebook app, and here in this open option you will find update option. Instead, if it's not been up to date, then you will tap on this update, and just like it was being downloaded beforehand, it will start re-downloading the app itself. Once it's done, again you will find open option instead of update. Tap on open and you have the updated version of Facebook just like that. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will see you guys in our next video.